Hello everyone, welcome to Web Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share some news from the Dotsama ecosystem. I will also share the second Dotsama Nav and Share NFT event in my Discord. So some new features have been added in the Discord. So I will cover the Manta Pay, the Astar network, YoudleDAO, and the Candygirl. So the first one is the Astar network. They have a new event with GameFI, and this event will be ended soon. So I would like to quickly go over that. You just need to go to the GameFI. They have the link will be posted below the video, and so finish some of the tasks. It's very easy, just tweet or retweet, and you may need to swap on swap, and you will earn one of those NFT. Very cool NFT. Looks like it's 3D. I don't know, but it's quite a cool NFT from Astar and the GameFi. So I hope some of you will very cool one. Good luck. The second one, I would like to appreciate Geeky, who recommend the Manta Pay testnet version 3. Now it's live and you can test. And also Geeky will have a birthday very soon, similar to my birthday. So happy birthday. So Manta Pay, the testnet version 3 is the final testnet before the launch of Manta Pay. That's going to be on Candygirl network first. I'm quite excited about that because this is the only and the unique one in Dotsama for the payment, right? And the protocol they use is also quite interesting. So the zero knowledge improvement series, it's wonderful. And the next one would be the YoudleDAO. So YoudleDAO, finally they have reviewed the NFT, and I have got my NFT. They will also have the airdrop for the Tinker. You should check your wallet. It should be there already. They will have some more things coming in the Discord, the CDK, all of those things, and I will look forward to that. Just show you a few of the items from the YoudleDAO, and this is their Youdle NFT. Finally, the Youdle NFT, some cool one. The floor is 8.5 KSM now, so you can see a very cool Youdle NFT here, and I will also show you how to configure your Youdle NFT with different items. So just wait for the next video. I'm going to show you that. Alright, so that's Youdle NFT. The next one is the Candygirl. Candygirl, they have some updates. They are going to have a giveaway for some of the top bidders and also the top contributor. And so a very cool t-shirt with a Candygirl image, and they also list the wallet which who qualify for that, and they also have the concept book and some painting goods. Those are all available. I don't know whether it's available for others. I think right now it's just for those top bidders. Alright, so the last one would be the new events for the Dotsama Nav and Share NFT event. I'm going to give out my NFT and to the 3 best predictor. So I implemented this feature at the beginning. I tried to finish that before the new year, but it's getting delayed, but never disappeared. It's still there. So the feature now is you can make prediction on the dot asset, and here is a command you can try, and you can also check the real-time price for the dot on the Discord. So this is the first feature I implement on my Discord, and I'm going to show you how to use that. And so first of all, you should go to my Discord. I will post a link below the video, and so you can find it. And after you join the Discord, you can have a try and try to make the prediction. This event will from the January 8th to January 15th. So you have to make prediction before January 8th, like one day before the date of the price. So so let's say if you go to the dot prediction game channel, and then you can put the predict, and if you want to make prediction for January 8th, so you can put the command, I will predict it 6.66, and you can also choose whatever date you want to predict, and they will make the prediction for that. You can change the price anytime before, like it should be 1 day before the date. So if today is January 5th, then it should be 1 day before. You can only make prediction for January 6th. You can use price dot to get the price for the dot. It will just show you the previous day's dot price and also previous 2 days price figure. So this is the feature have been implemented as well. The next command you can use is check prediction. So you can run the command to check the prediction. Make sure the name is correct. So it should be 2023 dot prediction. Okay, so once it's correct, then it will send you a private message from the bot, and you will see the prediction. So this is the prediction I made. You can keep adding more predictions for each day. As I said, it should be the computation should from January 8th to 15th. So you can make prediction for each of the day, and I simply just change the price and keep making predictions. After you make all of the prediction, you can also check the performance and also the, okay, so here I will just make prediction for January 8th. It's probably high now. It's yeah, I put 6 point something. You can check the prediction for the dot prediction, and it will show you all of your prediction each day. So all of the prediction, and as I said, you can change right now any of the prediction you have. Just have to make sure like it's 1 day before, and the date, the time is using the PST time, and so please be aware of that. And the snapshot time, it will use the midnight of that day. At the end, you can use the computation leaderboard to check the overall performance. And so my last question is, what's your most excited project of Dotsama in 2023? I find 4 different network projects: Astar network, Manta network, Fana network, and Moonbeam network. So leave your comments below the video. I will post the Twitter for you to vote as well. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope all of you have a wonderful new year 2023. Goodbye.